Díomh go léir, tásúla gom gúil sibh go mainiuh, tá mé chun fécint dynamic mechanisms reach. Okay, so we're going to look at dynamic mechanisms again. So if this is from the 2016 exam paper. So the image on the right shows a sculpture located on the M4 motorway in County Kildare. The design is based on concentric circles and an Archimedean spiral. A similar design is shown in figure C4a below. So what we're asked to do in this question is draw an Archimedean spiral which moves from point A to point B in one anti-clockwise revolution. The spiral has an initial radius of 60 millimeters and a final radius of 96 millimeters as shown. Complete the drawing to sculpture using the given information. So the first radius, if we look at here where A is, it tells us it's 60, and the second one where B is 96. So if you follow the green line around, that shows us the spiral. Okay, so we know it's moving in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so we're going to go through how we do that now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our two circles, 60 millimeters and 96. So that's point A and point B. So we know we're going to move in an anti-clockwise direction around here. Like we always do, we divide the circle into 12 equal sections. Give them a label so we know which one is which. So the spiral starts at the end of the longest radius vector B and finishes at the shortest vector A. So again, I started with A. It doesn't matter. You can start with B as well, and you can go around this way. We've it labeled here going from B, so we'll start at B. If you're going from A, you're just going to bring it anti-clockwise. With B, you're going to bring it clockwise around like this. Okay. Divide the distance between the longest and the shortest radius vector into 12 equal divisions. So there's 36 millimeters, because if we take 60 from 96, we get 36. Divided by 12 is going to be 3 millimeters. Okay, so we're dividing this into 3 millimeter sections. From the first division, swing an arc to the radial 1. So we're going to swing an arc from here out to 1. And we do the exact same for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's our spiral. From the spiral, that's the spiral drawn. So from that then we need to draw in the rest of it. So if we look at the question, we have all these sections here. Now they're all the same, so they're all 16 millimeters. They are all on the divisions as well. Okay, so if you look at here, they have the divisions brought out. Okay, so they tell us the radius of the circles, but you'll see here this little part here is actually a division. This one here tells us 60, so that one's going to be 30. It's halfway between them. There's a bit of figuring out in that, but you should be okay with it. There's 60 millimeters, so either side of the division we're going to come 8 millimeters. Okay, this blue one here is just our 40 and 46 circle. We've those drawn there. So 40 is the black, 46 is the blue. Okay, and then we're coming out 8 either side of each of the divisions. And we have it drawn. I hope this is helpful. Any questions, please ask.